Two possible solutions are: Plan A, never upgrade your phone. We all know that this is impossible. Instead, we have a Plan B, modularity design. Modularity design consists of 4 modules: display, core, camera, battery. These modules can be disassembled and reassembled by the end user via a sliding track. With these modules, the cell phone will turn into a transformer in seconds.
Welcome back. You're still watching Perspective, and we're talking to Fritz Wang, the Managing Director of ZTE Mobile Device Indonesia. Can we talk now about branding?
All right.
The market in Indonesia is, well, it's not saturated, but it's a cutthroat market. There's a lot of competition.
Exactly.
Especially on gadget, on whether it's high-end or low-end. What are you doing to sort of strengthen the market here for your product?
Well, you know, it's a potential market in Indonesia. I think it's ranking number 7 in terms of the smartphone user number.
7th largest market?
7th largest market. Number 7, but I think in the next 3 years it's going to be like ranking number 4. This is according to the forecast from eMarketer. Thanks to the population, of course, and the network coverage provided by the operators. Of course, in this industry there are like I think more than 20 players. Including international and local.
Chinese as well.
Chinese as well. We understand this market is somehow brand sensitive and price sensitive. So it's very challenging for every player. So we have 2 ways basically. We are working like in B2B model. We working closely with operator. Like Telkomsel, like Bolt, LTE operator. I mean, they have already reached to more than 1 million subscriber bases.
So you sorry to interrupt, you actually do, what is it, packaging with the operators, or is it just?
Either we join the bonding program with operator, or we supply to the operator, then operator bring the product, push to the market. So this is one way we work with operator to bring our product and to do the co-branding with them and to enhance the brand. And the other way around is we go for the consumer market. We go directly to the consumer market. So we build
just market directly.
We just to build up our brand.
And when you talk branding, okay, ZTE, it's quite good now. I mean, people would know if it says ZTE. It's for me, it's associated with a mobile phone. But what is actually target market? Who are you targeting in that sense? Younger people, or
I think we are targeting to the people who wants to spend less, but get the high quality, and premium quality, and with a lot of fun, with a lot of excitement, features and functions. And then, what do you want to? When they say ZTE, like I said, I think of telephone, smartphone. What do you want your consumers in Indonesia to think when, for example, I say, do you know ZTE? What is the image that you want to conjure? So, if I were the consumer, then I'm in ZTE. I'm in this position. I expect consumer, when the consumer talk about ZTE, they would think this is a reputable company and a reliable brand in terms of quality and services, and it's high tech, so enable people to enjoy the better life through the devices, and fun, fashion,
So it's dynamic. It's young, basically.
I think it's some challengers. Young people at the beginning, but I think, and we do have some differentiated product because we have a full range of product portfolio. So different product segment will target into the different different consumers. Yes.
When you talk consumers, a different consumer, you're working already with operators,
Yes.
which is a branding by itself. Are you also working, for example, I don't know, with the sellers and the marketers, the maybe online? I don't know.
Absolutely, we are working with various channels, basically, including what you mentioned, traditional channel,
Right.
Distributors, dealers,
Yeah.
and also some modern channels,
Right.
and as well as e-commerces.
So you have you're working with, for example, an inline seller, online seller.
Exactly. We actually we had already launched few premium, nice quality product with one of the e-commerce,
Right.
like Lazada.
Lazada, for example.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So it's quite big in the sense. The other thing when we talk about product in Indonesia, which is sometimes lacking, is it's always linked to after sales. I mean, my loyalty to a brand depends on whether I can repair it, not expensively, first of all, and easily.
Yeah.
What's your take on that?
Yeah, I think I agree with you. I think the after service is one of the most factors for consumers
In
to
Indonesia
consider about the
especially.
brand, and it's also one of the key to the brand image. So we have already partnered with a local company to provide the after services, and we have established around 18 service centers for nationwide.
Across Indonesia. Okay.
And all the dealer shop we consider is like a picking up point.
Right. Okay.
And on top of that, we have designed a VIP after service, so which consists of like 2-hour pickup.
Wow.
Yeah, but which is only happening in Jabodetabek right now.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like half price for the screen damage. Yeah.
Right.
Something
Okay.
like that.
We'll have to break again, fortunately. Please stay with us. We'll be back.
Here, we find Jason, a gaming enthusiast. When a new game is released, he cannot put his new smartphone down. Would it be possible for him to play graphically intense games without a power CPU? With modularity technology, all Jason needs to do is open the module upgrade application and tap on screen. Select the CPU he wants from list, and he is done. His new CPU will arrive in the mail. With the ability to buy a new CPU or trade an old one, a CPU could be reused forever. Other modules can also be purchased or reused through application.